Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make bread, and I hope you will enjoy this recipe. And also please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. So let's get started. So for my ingredients, I have here 7 to 8 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of yeast, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 4 cups of lukewarm water. So to start with, I'll mix the yeast and the sugar in the lukewarm water and mix well. Next, I will cover with a cling wrap and let it form in a warm place for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll be pouring the mixture into a mixing bowl. And to it, I'll add 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and mix well. I will now add about 6 to 7 cups of plain flour and mix with electric mixer. And also you may need to add extra flour if the dough is sticky. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix the dough until it's soft and pulls away from the sides of the mixing bowl and not sticky on your fingers when touched. And at this point, I will lightly spread some flour on the dough mat and knead with my hands for about 7 to 8 minutes. And at this point, I'll grease a large bowl with the cooking spray. So after 30 minutes, it has doubled in size. And I'm going to remove the cling wrap. Next, I'm going to transfer onto a flat surface and knead to remove the air bubbles. Next, I will divide the dough in 4 equal sizes. Then I will knead each dough and shape into a loaf. Next, I'll grease the loaf pans with the cooking spray and place the dough into it. So I'll be using my fingertips to press on the dough to get rid of the air bubbles and then shape it into a loaf. So I'll keep repeating the process until I'm done. Next, I'll be rubbing the surface with butter and I'll lightly sprinkle some of the flour on it. So I'm now going to cover it with a tea towel and place it in the sun or warm place to rise or double in size for about 30 to 45 minutes. So I have preheated my oven to about 220 to 350 degrees. So it has now doubled in size and I'm going to bake them for about 30 to 45 minutes. So after 30 to 45 minutes, I'll now remove the loaves to a wire rack to cool down. So I'll be rubbing some butter on the top whilst it's hot. And at this point it has completely cooled down, and I'm going to go ahead and cut in toasts, or you can also cut in sandwich slices and enjoy. So I'm going to spread some butter on one slice and taste it. And as you can see, it's looking very soft and it's looking delicious. And I hope you will try this recipe. And thank you all so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I'm going to see you in my next video. So thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.